Apple's iOS 26 Beta 4 drops with a stunning liquid glass redesign and smarter notifications. Ready to explore the future of iPhone? Let's dive in. Welcome to GadInsider, your tech news hotspot. Today we're unpacking iOS 26 Beta 4's slick new features. Launched July 22, 2025 for developers and beta testers, iOS 26 Beta 4 refines Apple's liquid glass UI, first teased at WWDC 25. This glass-like design, inspired by Vision Pro, brings a cohesive, glossy look to iPhone, with subtle tweaks making it smoother than ever. Scrolling notifications is now a breeze. The notification center background darkens slightly as you scroll, boosting readability. Plus, Apple re-enabled news and entertainment notification summaries, disabled earlier this year for quick glances at your updates. The camera app gets a polished icon and a new splash screen explaining UI changes. Call screening now lets you silence unknown callers, ask their call reason, or turn it off entirely. Perfect for dodging spam while keeping control. With 2 billion iPhone users, iOS 26's liquid glass UI is a big deal. X-fans call it Vision Pro vibes on iPhone, loving the sleek look and smarter notifications. These tweaks make iOS 26 a step towards Apple's unified, futuristic ecosystem. iOS 26 Beta 4 is out now with a public release expected in September 2025 alongside iPhone 17. More UI refinements and AI features are likely in Beta 5. Stay tuned for updates as Apple polishes this glossy OS. Are you loving iOS 26's liquid glass look? Drop your thoughts in the comments, smash that like button, subscribe to GadInsider, and hit the bell for more tech scoops.